Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter 5 multiples and factors. Chapter 4 Vedic maths we will do later on. So let's start this chapter. First we will talk about multiples. So let's see what are multiples. A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Not a fraction. Okay, how we will get multiples of a number? If we multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, then we will get the multiples of that number. Let's see multiples of 2. If we multiply 1 into 2, we get 2. So 2 is multiple of 2. Then 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8, 5 into 2 is 10 and 6 into 2 is 12. So all these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All these are the multiples of 2. Same as multiples of 5, multiplying 5 by 1, 5 by 2, 5 by 3, we get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. So these are the multiples of 5. Same as if we have to find the multiples of 8, we will multiply 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and so on. So these are the multiples of 8. So if we multiplying any number by any number, so we get multiples of that numbers. So multiples are इनफाइनाइट. मल्टीपल्स जो हैं वो उनकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होती, हम इनफाइनाइटली उसको फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स किसी भी नंबर को जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिल सकता है? मल्टीपल्स मिल सकता है उस नंबर का. ओके, now multiples is the result of multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, so on, we get the multiples. So one example, multiple of 2, multiplying 2 by 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Now let's see what are factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Factor, if we have to find factors of any number, so that number should be exact divisor of that number. क्या होना चाहिए? वो number उसका exact divisor होना चाहिए. It means if when we divide that number by its factor, remainder should be 0. Okay, so let's start factors of 12. If we have to find the factors of 12, so divide 12 by 1, we get 12. 12 by 2, we get 6. 12 by 3, we get 4. 12 by 4, 12 divided by 4, we get 3. 12 divided by 6, we get 2, and 12 divided by 1, we get 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All these are the multiples of, all these are the factors of 12. क्या होंगे? ये सारे factors होंगे 12 के. It means when we dividing 12 by these numbers, here remainder is 0. जब 12 से इन सभी 12 को इन सब नंबर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? 0. सो इट मीन्स दीज नंबर्स आर फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. सेम एज if we multiply 1 into 12, we get 12. 2 into 6, we get 12. 3 into 4, get 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are multiples of, these are factors of 12. So in two ways we can find the factors of 12. This is multiplication method and this is division method. So in both methods we can find factors of any number. Understood? Here we have some important facts about factors. First is 1 is a factor of every number. किसी भी नंबर का अगर हमें फैक्टर फाइंड करना है तो उसका 1 जो है हमेशा उसका फैक्टर होगा. एवरी नंबर इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. हर नंबर अपना खुद का फैक्टर होता है. लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल. Let's see an example. If we have to find factors of 5. Factors of 5. So we know that factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So here 1 is factor of 5. It means 1 is factor of every number. It satisfies first condition. 1 is a factor of every number. So here 1 is factor of 5. And second is every number is a factor of itself. It means 5 is also factor. Okay, so it is a factor of 5. So 5 is a factor of itself. Now third point, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. जो भी फैक्टर हम फाइंड करेंगे वो क्या होगा, लेस देन और इक्वल टू द गिवन नंबर. सपोज इफ वी हैव टू फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 5, सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 5 आर 1 and 5. सो these two factors are less than, means this factor is less than 5 and this factor is equal to 5. Okay, this factor is less than 5 and this factor is equal to 5. So this satisfies the third condition. Now fourth condition, number of factors of a given number are finite. नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स जो होंगे किसी भी नंबर के अगर फाइंड कर रहे हैं तो वो क्या होंगे, फाइनाइट होंगे. इट मीन्स काउंटेबल होंगे. हेयर फैक्टर्स ऑफ 5 आर 2, 1 and 5 2 फैक्टर्स हैं. सो दीज आर काउंटेबल, ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. सो दीज आर फैक्टर्स ऑफ एनी नंबर are finite. Now let's see exercise 5.1. First question, write down 4 multiples of given number. First part, we have to write 4 multiples of 4. So we will multiply 4 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3, 4 by 4. So we get 4, 8, 12, 16 are 4 multiples of 4. Basically you have to write the table of 7, 4, 14, 19 up to 4 times. Okay, so these are the multiples of 4. Now let's see next question. Write the multiples of 7 which lie between 10 and 30. Here you have to find the multiples of 7 which lies between 10 and 30. So multiples of 7 are 7 are start from 14, 21 and 28. So these are 3 multiples which lies between 10 and 30. Okay, we know that multiples of 7 start from 7, 14, then 21, then 28, but here we have to write the multiples between 10 and 30. So these 3 are 3 multiples, 14, 21 and 28.